Hey Bulls, are you wondering why your financial aid hasn't paid yet? Unsatisfied requirements may be why. What are unsatisfied requirements? Unsatisfied requirements are any documents or forms you need to give us so we can finalize your awards. What happens if you don't submit your unsatisfied requirements? Payment of some or all of your aid will be affected or delayed. How do you view and submit your unsatisfied requirements? Log in to Student Self-Service by clicking the tile on My USF. Select Financial Aid. On the screen, you'll be able to see all of your unsatisfied requirements. Make sure you click the down arrow for all unsatisfied requirements so you can read the instructions. Some forms may be completed by hand and uploaded, or they may be submitted directly in Student Self-Service. Once your document has been uploaded or submitted, go back to Student Self-Service and repeat these steps for all the documents or forms you need submit. If you have any questions, contact us. Remember, the faster you fulfill your unsatisfied requirements, the less delay there will be in processing your financial aid. Thanks for watching, and as always, go Bulls!